it has been, through most of its life, a pretty well-kept secret. So the purpose of this gathering here today is to try to introduce what BioGenerator is doing to many of you.
If you're someone who wants to build a bioscience company in St. Louis, this is the place to come. This is a place to build your company. We're here to support, we're here to invest, we're here to connect you with people, help you find talent. We can help you build a great St. Louis company.
You know, in 2013, there's a couple of guys there, Dennis Plummer and VJ, who I know you all know very well. They had a really audacious idea. And that audacious idea was about creating a new crop for the Midwest and really many other parts of the world that would grow over winter. Well, the BioGenerator was extremely important in getting us started because between them and MTC, they were our first capital.
Different people need different things when they start their company. So one of the things that I do is I treat people who have abnormal fast heart rhythms. And we do it through this minimally invasive procedure. Sentier is a patient-specific cardiac hologram with where the catheters are, so you don't need to use all of these different screens to do that, and let that help the physicians guide their procedure. But as we think about other potential projects, other potential ideas, we're so excited that they continue to help us and teach us. It's this constant back and forth in the ecosystem, and BioGenerator is kind of at the center of it.
So we are a developer of molecular diagnostic tests. Our core technology is a way to isolate human RNA from stool samples. We believe that that's the perfect platform to develop diagnostic tests for gastrointestinal health. I can also firmly say that we would not be here today without all the support that we've had from BioGenerator, really since day one.
BioGenerator has developed such a huge ecosystem, and that they can bring everybody together, get those of us with some of the startup companies, together with the investors and some of the other folks in St. Louis that can really make an impact in growing companies here in St. Louis. That's a huge thing for us.
So we're a BioGenerator portfolio company. We actually were incubated out of BioGenerator in 2019. They were the first dollar in among a couple other investors too. And for 2 years, we essentially were working very closely with them into developing our product within their structure.
There's such a rich talent source here, and keeping that talent in drug discovery and biology and chemistry here was really important to us. That's why we're still here. We did not move when we were acquired. We said, no, we're staying here, we're keeping the talent here, and we're going to drive the research out of here, and that's what we did.
So in essence, BioGenerator's investment in the business is helping validate the investment for others to come into the business, and that in turn levers the capital. And what I love about it is we've got advisors, we've got investors, we've got entrepreneurs, we've got a lot of collaborators and supporters within the St. Louis region that have come together to really celebrate what we and others have been building across this area.
BioGenerator is fundamental to what we do, and it is emblematic of how we do our work. We think of ourselves as being entrepreneurial. The entrepreneurs behind the entrepreneurs, if you will. The innovators behind the innovators.
And this whole community is just all about cheering one another on, because we all want those successes to fuel future successes and continue to grow this ecosystem. There's no place else like that.